Hello everybody, I just want to make this quick video to tell you about a great service called MCA. I want to expose the truth about them. And the truth is they've been covering North American highways since 1926. And that's a long time. We have a lot of incredible membership perks, join taking advantage of Medical America. Many benefits and travel discounts on service, hotels, rental cars, your vision, your dental work, and such. And it allows you to save hundreds of dollars on everyday purchase items. Stuff you're gonna buy all the time. You're gonna buy it. So why not buy it at a discount? Who don't want to save money? And it allows you to have peace of mind, feel comfortable, when you're doing something, Yeah, and MCA has a vehicle coverage plan for everyone. Up on the sun, it has a different pay level for everyone. Let's go through a few of the details. It's 24-hour service. They're always there, 365 days a year to take care of your roadside needs or whatever you might have if you find yourself stranded somewhere. And the U.S. is only in the U.S. and Canada, though. This is a true, real corporation, a brick and mortar business that you can make money with online. Let's go look at some of the roadside service packages. Okay, you got a security package, which is $9.95. That you get emergency roadside, arrest bond, bail bonds, attorney fees, stolen vehicle rewards, credit card protection. And you got the Security Plus, the middle plan. It's the same thing. You just get legal service and travel assistance on that plan. The more you pay, the more you're going to get anyway. Everybody knows that. This is America. The total security plan where it covers everything. And it's only $19.95 a month. Where in the world can you find this with a brick and mortar business that's been in business since 1926 and it's still in business today? So they're probably a big company. Surely they're a big company. And you get all this for $19.95 a month. Tell me where you can be there. I'm not a great explainer of benefits. You don't need to be a rocket scientist to do this. $19.95 a month off a $40 payment one time startup. Oh my goodness. And not only you get affiliate bonus benefits, you get more benefits with a larger package. Let's just go back. Let's go back. Memberships. No, wrong way. Go back, return home. Return home. We're talking about MCAs. We're going to see a few of the member perks. I'm just exposing the truth about MCA, y'all. This is what's really going on with it. It's an online business, of course. It's an offline business. And they're here to make money, but still, companies don't offer this kind of stuff right here on this online space when I'm trying to make money off of it a lot of times, You got hotel discounts up to 15%. Anybody can take a savings, man. Can use a savings. And let's check out the purchase plan on it. See what it says. Let's check out the purchase plan. Well, hold on. Same thing. Let's go back. Okay. Return home. It's easy to do, really. Easy to do. Okay. Here's some more membership perks. I just got in here myself, y'all. It's blowing my mind how much value you get out of this company, man. Rental discounts up to 40% discount. You can get up to almost half off your rental costs, car rental costs. That's awesome right there, man. Then you get prescription drug transplant. The way things are going in this economy these days, it's booming right now, but it's not booming for everybody. Some people need a helping hand. And this is a big hand to help, up to 65% discount on your prescription medicine and stuff, what you need. vision care discount. I mean, this is the truth about this company right here. They're out to help people. They're trying to make people's lives better. Okay, dental care discounts up to 50%. You know, it's half off. You know, what your final bill is going to be. That's amazing. That is amazing. Just a few things. I don't want to let this. There are a few of the customer testimonials. But I don't want to waste time on this for too much. I'm just to let you know that you're getting a lot of value from this company, you know. That's all I really want to tell you is you're getting value from this company. A lot of value. So MCA, the Motor Club, emergency service, they'll tow your car for you, you know, they'll bring you gas, they'll unlock your door for you. They'll change your tire for you. Matter of fact, I had that happen, man. This company called Jackrabbit, I think they have a contract with MCA. They came and changed my tire when I was trying to get to work one day, you know, and you can't beat it. You can't beat it all. They'll take care of you. They'll take care. They give you. It's always good to have peace of mind, you know. Now, I'm gonna stop right there. I'm gonna let you know if you want to get in with this company and join it with this company, and just even if you don't sell any membership, just enjoy the benefits of the company. The benefits of the peace of mind. It's just like when you get insurance or something, or something like that. You know, life insurance, car insurance. You got to have those things, and you need those things. You have peace of mind when you got those things. You know. And that's what it's all about, you know, achieving peace of mind. So if you want to work with me and just get the benefits on a consistent basis, either way would be a great way to go with this company right here. Because it's solid. I mean, there's nothing you have to worry about. You don't have to look for the product. The product is there. It's brick and mortar. They just want to pay the people who advertise word of mouth for them. They don't want to do it all on a national advertising campaign. They want to let the people do it. A company's for the people. That was hard to find these days. But if you want to do it, hey, come work with Kirkland and we'll get this thing done. We'll get it started. I'll make a few more videos. And if you like this video, hey, hit the like button for me. Shoot me a comment. Let me know something. Let's engage with each other. Let's contact each other. Let's talk about this thing. And I can get a little bit more in detail, in depth about the benefits and the services of this company. So I salute. Hey, you have a nice day. Hey, come and see me. Work with Kirkland. Peace.